Good morning, Paul Georgia from Allendale. It's December 27th, Friday morning, and grain market's quiet overnight. We've seen a little bit of bargain hunting early in the night session, and since then we've settled back to unchanged in the corn. We're back to unchanged in the wheat. Soybeans recovering a little bit on after the sharp sell-off that we've seen yesterday. The rejection of the DDGs, 2,000 tons only of DDGs by China yesterday was enough to create some profit taking in the market, some concern that because of their purchase or their strict guidelines on the MIR GMO problem, they are that they may cancel more DDGs, therefore put some pressure on the soybean meal here in the U.S., where the DDGs will be competition to meal, and that caused meal to break hard, and a reason for the sharp break yesterday. What are we looking at today? We've got January option expiration today after the close. We've got weekly export sales numbers that'll be coming out here in about a half an hour. We've also got EIA coming out with the ethanol and energy stocks, plus the natural gas storage numbers at 9:30. So we've got a lot of reports coming out that could impact the market here and give us a jolt one way or the other. The volume is expected to be very light, and when you've got reports like this, you could get sharp moves off of these reports. So be aware of that as you place orders in the market here today. Cash grain market movement seen a little bit of pickup yesterday as farmers doing some year-end adjusting and maybe delivering on contracts ahead of the new year. Basis was steady, nothing changed there. So expect some volatility today, but volume to be especially light, as we are definitely in a holiday mode here in the grain complex. The livestock market's got some news to look forward to this afternoon after 2 o'clock. The USDA will be giving us the quarterly hogs and pigs report numbers. Trade's looking for 99.9% all hogs, 101 kept for breeding, and 99.8 kept for market. So not much change there. But the big idea that hopefully will come out of this report is how much of an impact the PED virus has had. Will the USDA change pig crop size and pigs per litter on this report? So we'll have to watch that very closely, and the livestock industry is hoping to get some clarity on the impact of this PED virus. In the meantime, we still are dealing with a short kill week this week and next week. Hog weights are 5 to 6 pounds heavier than a year ago, and record weights, by the way. So we've got plenty of meat around that we've got to move through the chains here. Cutout values yesterday were up 44 cents in pork. Beef cutout values were up 7 cents in choice, down $1.52 in the select. Cash cattle are still waiting to trade. We've got bids at 129, offers at 133 to 134. Tight supplies of cattle are offsetting this short work week, and that's holding the cattle market together here. But the outlook for cattle after this last cattle on feed report, you'd expect some very tight supplies to develop as we move into the late January, February time frame. So again, expect some volatility. Stay in touch with Allendale's research. We'll keep you informed. You can reach us if you want to talk to us at 800-262-7538. We wish everybody a very successful trading day, a safe weekend, and we'll talk to you on Monday morning.